So today I'm going to install Windows 10 Preview 64-bit version that was released today by Microsoft on the 23rd of January. So I already prepared a virtual machine for that, so we'll just run it. The setup is pretty much the same as the setup of Windows 7, 8 and 8.1. There's nothing really different in the installation. So we'll do that quickly, and I'll fast forward the process to the end, so you can watch in the end what we've got. Now one other thing is that this preview version already lets you to upgrade your current system, your Windows 7, 8 and 8.1. The upgrade will be also free after the full Windows 10 is released by Microsoft. And this is the first time that we actually can upgrade an older version of Windows and not the latest that was. Here you can see the upgrade option, which is not available for me right now because I'm installing from a clean virtual machine. Now obviously, because it's a virtual machine, the performance will be slower than usual. And in addition, because it's a preview version, I would expect bugs and failures and things like that. So while it's installing, I will pause the video and we will continue after it finishes to the setup of an account or whatever Microsoft asks after this. So the installation is almost finished. It took about, I think, 25 minutes or so. Again, this is a virtual machine, not a real PC, so it's slower than it should be. Now, I think it will do some more restarts before we actually have a desktop before our right eyes. And we also need to enter our Windows account. I'll enter my Windows account. In a few moments, I hope it will launch and I'll show you this. And then I'll install VMware Tools with a hope that it will pump up a little the performance in the virtual machine. And afterwards, I'll try to show a few of the new things on Windows 10. So right now, it's starting to boot for the first time. Actually, it should give us some messages about that it's preparing and stuff like that, you know, as it was always on Windows 7, 8 and 8.1. I assume it will be the same here. Now a screen went off, I think because it's installing the video card drive. Well, obviously it's not exactly a video card, just a virtual video card. But anyway, it has to install it to perform better. So here it is. As you can see, I already rebooted the system and installed VMware Tools. This is Windows 10. Actually, I was impatient and ran and enabled Cortana. Basically, this is the search engine that you see here with voice enabled. Almost the same as OK Google on Google phones. And basically you want to go to the search here. This is, by the way, the start, if you didn't notice. Now, this is not like 8 and 8.1. And it's not like in Windows 7. It's basically something merged between them. I think it's kind of nice. You can rearrange those tiles here. You can do search as it was on 7. You can go even full screen if you want. This is the full screen version, almost the same as it was on Windows 8, 8.1. And you can you have power options over here, so you can turn off reboot and stuff like that. If I'm not mistaken, there is, I'm not sure where do you get it. There's supposed to be a notification bar or something. Not sure. Anyway, let's try, for example, Cortana. Basically, you need to say, "Hey Cortana." Well, it doesn't seem to work right now. Let's just press and ask it for weather or something. What is the weather? As you can see, it's a little laggish. Well, first of all, it's on virtual machine, and secondly, it's you know, the preview. Now, I'm not sure if it found the weather because I just asked for it or not. Anyway, I'm pretty sure it's not the weather where I am at, and I'm not in the US. Let's try it again. Hey Cortana. Well, the Hey Cortana doesn't work. Let's see what we have here. Now we have Internet Explorer. Preston would ask you, yeah. So apparently we can add more desktops, more than one. Probably will work same as Linux and Ubuntu and Mac. I'm not really sure how you go between them. No, not sure. Let's try again with Cortana. Maybe this time something else will work. What is the weather? As you can see, it's not exactly what I wanted to ask. And it takes time, obviously.
Something's not right.
Well, at least it talks to us. What is the weather? Hey Cortana.
Try again in a little bit.
Okay, it's a little laggish. I wouldn't call it even a little. Well, for a preview I would say it's good enough. Anyway. So basically that's pretty much it. I want to try to go to the what was once the control panel. Now I think it's in the settings menu. Let's check this out. Now again, as I said, it's on a virtual machine. It takes much longer than it should on a real machine. So don't expect too much with speed. The loading circle near the mouse changed a little. It looks better, I think. And for some reason the settings menu went down, minimized. Okay, that one takes way too much to load. Let's see, I think... no. Okay, I thought maybe this is the notification bar that I've seen in some screenshots of the preview, but... oh yeah, 1 second. Yeah, here it is. So basically this is like a notification bar, almost the same as you have on tablets of Android and phones. Now I'm not sure if it will show... yeah. Basically you have here tablet mode, which will bring more Windows 8.1 look, and you have other stuff, for example Connect, Wi-Fi, VPN, whatever. VPN, that looks interesting. Might be good for work. Location, I don't think it can actually locate or something itself. Now the settings window was closed for some reason. Let's try to open it again. Maybe this time we'll have more luck with it. And while it loads, let's check what we have here. Oh, here it is. Okay, so this is something that was once the control panel. Control panel is no more. This is the new settings view. Everything is different, and as an IT guy I will probably have a bunch of headaches with this new menu. I'm not even sure how do you get your computer into the domain right now. Basically, it would be a nice idea to check this out. Well, anyway, let's see what we have here under system. Again, as you can see, I'm pressed on system and it takes a bunch of time to load. Now, as I said, this is just a preview and it's a virtual machine, so don't expect too much. Okay, that's not exactly what I expected to find. I was hoping to find the menu to enter a computer to the domain, but it's not here. Now, if you saw me, I pressed on the start before. That's for searching the computer icon, which I can find as well. So basically everything looks different. I'm not sure if the new web browser called Spartan is already available. We'll check it in a moment. And I can't even see the computer here, which is kind of funny. Maybe this one will help us out. Probably Windows Explorer, File Explorer we call it now, which was once Windows Explorer. And as you can see, it loads out. Oh, it says workplace account. Maybe here we can find our domain menus and stuff like that. And while we do that, I would go to start, and actually I don't even have to press start, I think. You can just press here and let's search for Spartan. This time I'm writing it. Although it doesn't write that well, as you can see. It took some time. And for some reason it didn't take the S. So, search my stuff, maybe. Well, no, probably Spartan isn't available right now. Maybe on next versions. Let's see if we can get maybe something from the settings. And in the meanwhile, pretty sure it will close the settings of Cortana, but whatever. In the meanwhile, this window will load up the account in settings. Well, I'm not sure if I don't have any picture on my Microsoft account, or they just didn't load it up. Let's look at your workplace, which I hope will finally reveal some settings for domain connection. Obviously, a day will come and probably all the machines in the company I work for will start to get updates to Windows 10 and will start updating. Connect to Workplace, I'm not sure if this is it. No, that's not it. Well, I have no idea how to connect it to the domain right now. I admit it. Now, another option is that the preview version cannot be entered to the domain, which would be expected actually. Basically that's it. That's Windows 10, and as you can see, I'm not really familiar with all the stuff it's got. This I'll need to learn more about the stuff it got, and maybe I'll do some other reviews about it in the near future. Maybe if it will work well, maybe I'll even install it on the real machine, although I don't think it will happen. Anyway, that's it. Enjoy, and you can comment in the description below, and thank you for watching. Thumbs up.